Mommy, can you help me?
Sorry, Alisa, I'm in a meeting. I'll come to you later, okay? Hey, what's wrong with you, darling? Why are you crying? Huh?
I can't fix the problem, and I miss my class.
Oh, sorry, dear. I was busy with my work and meetings.
Mommy, this is not the first time it happens. And I miss my class because of the tablet. And I couldn't even submit my homework on time.
Okay. I will talk to Daddy and get it solved. Promise?
Promise.
Okay.
Mommy, it's here.
Oh, that's fast. Let's open it.
Yes, but let me do it because Alisa has grown up, so just focus on your work. Don't worry about me.
Great. Show me.
Okay. Mommy, I was drawing our family picture. Let me show you. So this is Mommy, this is Daddy, and this is Alisa.
Nice one, darling. Now that your daddy is working in frontline, he will be happy to see this picture. Let's send this to Daddy.
Love you, Mommy and Daddy.
We love you too, Lisa.